How's it going? So we're back in the shed. Well, actually, today we're doing some work outside the shed because the car's too tall to fit in here. Going to be installing some of the car builder's soundproofing in the old luxxy because she's very loud. And if you want to listen to podcasts and things like that when you're driving to work, well, it's not very good. So I guess we'll get stuck into it. It's freaking hot today. It's probably about 34 degrees here in Brisbane, which is crazy, but we'll get through it. So let's go. So yeah, there's a whole lot of nice nasty stuff in here. It's not as bad as I thought. There's no rust or anything, which is good. I pulled the floor out about 2 years ago and cleaned it out, but I think it's long overdue for a bit of a clean. So yeah. Right, so let's see what's in the box. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I'm about halfway through, got the matting down. I'm gonna basically fill in these gaps at the end with whatever I've got left, just cut them up to size and try and make it work. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Right, I'm pretty much done in here. I bought 2 kits, so I've still got 3 sheets left over, so I'll probably do the back wall, but I mean, I can do that at any time, so I think that'll be a project for another day, because it's 35 degrees here and it's quite hot, so I think I'm happy with that for now. I'll give this a try and see how it goes. Right, soundproofing's all in. It's all back together, so now we're going to take it for its first test drive and see how quiet it is. Hopefully a lot quieter. So, alright, I'll just chuck you up here. So, first start with the soundproofing in it. Let's have a listen. Just glow it. First start. It's definitely a little quieter. I suppose the bigger test will be when it's actually on the road.
Hello.
Alright, let's go.
Can I turn the aircon?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So good. Okay.
What do you think? Do you think it's quieter?
This one quieter. There is no more.
Okay.
Is it vibrating okay?
Vibrating less, I think.
Oh yeah.
It always vibrated.
Yeah, true that. Yeah, so much better. Can tell.
Let's find out. Let's go for the speed now. It's actually a lot quieter when you're sitting like idling. Like you can barely hear anything. Whereas before it was like impossible to hear anything. Helps if I shut the door, doesn't it? So that's definitely an improvement. But yeah. once I do the back wall, it'll be alright. I think.
Yeah. See how we go when we put on the back one, isn't it?